That's it for the investing feature, but now I want to show you the taxes feature briefly. So you're going to click here under Explore on Taxes. Cash App offers a few different tools here, one of them being the estimate for your refund. So if you want to figure out what your refund might be looking ahead, you can use that tool. They also offer free tax filing for individuals. You'll have to look into that more to see what the stipulations are, but they do offer that as a service as well as tax planning tips. So you can check this out yourself. And if you're also looking to get copies of prior tax returns or things like that, you can do that from this screen as well. And while we're on the topic of taxes, I will also show you how to locate your tax forms in Cash App. From the home screen, you're going to click on the person icon in the top right, and then you're going to scroll down to your account settings, and then you're going to click here on Documents. At this point, you have different categories here of account statements, and then savings, stocks, Bitcoin, and tax returns. So depending on which features you use, they'll be located in different sections. But if you're looking for a stock market related tax form, that would be under stocks, for example. And in here, you would either have your monthly statements or your tax documents. Since we just created the account, I don't have any just yet, but that is where you would locate your tax documents and other statements.